Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I'm going to show us how to create pivot table from multiple consolidated ranges. Let's get started. Now this is the old way of creating a pivot table in the Office 2003 version. So let's see our sample data. Now we have the report for the month of January, the month of February and the month of March. So we have all the account managers listed and of course the product that we're actually dealing with. So we actually want to summarize all these values in a pivot table. So let's see how to do that. And I'm going to come to January. Of course I can stay in February or March. So click on my data. I'm going to deploy Alt D on the keyboard, and that shows this Office access key, Alt D. Then I'm going to press P for pivot table. So we have this create pivot table and pivot chart wizard step 1 of 3. So I'm going to click on this multiple consolidation ranges, then I click on next. So we have the step 2A of 3. So I'm going to create a single page field. Okay, I click on next. Then I need to provide my range. Now this is similar to how we create consolidation in Excel. So I'm going to provide the range. So click inside this range and select all my data, Control Shift right and down arrow. Then I need to click on the add to add to all these odd ranges. So I click on the next tab. Again, I'm going to select all of them, Control Shift right and down arrows, and I click on add. And the last one I click on the match tab, then select all this. So I need to select all of them because they do not have the same number of rows. Okay, so I need to click on add, so we can see all the 3 reports for January, for February and for March. Now I can actually click on finish, but let's click on next and see what is in the next. Now we have the step 3 of 3. Now this is asking us where exactly do we want to put our pivot report. So we actually want to put it in a new worksheet. So I click on finish. Then we have our data summarized. This is absolutely cool. So I can actually right click and apply number formats. Okay, so I click on currency. I don't want decimals, and I click on OK. Now we've created our pivot report. Now the downside to this particular old way of creating pivot table is that when I come to my contextual ribbon tab, the design, and I click on report layout, even in tabular form, you will discover that of course it is shown in tabular form, but these do not change. Okay, I supposed to say, instead of rows, I supposed to say like account manager. Okay, and instead of this column I supposed to say all the products. Okay, but I don't have that, so that is one of the downside of using this method. But if you want to actually consolidate across multiple sheets, you can use this method. I hope you've learned something new, and of course we have our filter. We have all the products here. You can actually do multiple items selection. Let's say see for item 1, click on that, then you can see all the item 1, so it has filtered and so on and so forth. So we can actually remove the filter, or let's put everything back. So this is how to create pivot table from multiple consolidated ranges. Thank you for watching my video, and bye for now.